Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says an additional $250 million has been allocated to assist farmers who are yet to receive support more than 6 months after Hurricane Melissa devastated sections of the island.
Speaking during his contribution to the sectoral debate on Wednesday, the minister said the government is also considering a voucher system to help ensure the assistance reaches farmers most needed.
Jamaica Maitland reports.
Livestock farmers, yam and coffee farmers are being targeted in Phase 2 of the Hurricane Melissa Recovery Program by the Ministry of Agriculture.
We have earmarked about $250 million to continue.
Agriculture Minister Floyd Green acknowledged that the level of damage caused by the hurricane to these farmers will require more resources and time. Even as the fields heal from Melissa's hurt, Minister Green warned that another storm is brewing. This one made up of rising fuel prices that could be just as catastrophic.
There are crop lines which, based on the extent of the damage, require more long-term support. And the reality is that the recovery efforts has been hampered now by what is happening in the world with rising input prices, supply chain disruptions, challenges around agrochemicals and fuel prices.
Minister Green says the economic storm can threaten the country's food security. According to data from the ministry, Jamaica recorded its highest vegetable production ever between January to March 2026, amidst a national push to kickstart the sector after the hurricane. An advocate for backyard gardening, Minister Green says Jamaicans must participate in their food security. He's inviting the public to provide feedback on the National Agricultural Development Plan that is expected to transform the sector in the next 10 years.
I will be sending a copy to the emails of all our members of parliament so that you can share with us your contribution to this National Development Plan. We will also place the plan on the moa.gov.jm website for agricultural stakeholder feedback, and people can email in their comments.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.